mwasiba muta abampulirize muliyo mugumire na munonga abasigazi n'empangale mwebale emirimo y'imukora ye hona imuli munsi yona muramanya tukatatana twazo kuno. Yes, yeah, program here is over. Yeah, this is a green light to liberation. Green light to liberation. So kandi nena mukimanye mwena all borders to borders. Museveni is no longer a president. Is the presidential candidate. Obushoboruzi bwona hati bwine sabaramuzi. Ishe baramuzi ni we no bushoboruzi bwona. So Museveni mutaka mureba nka president murebe nko kachi nka presidential candidate. So isha yona teine bushoboruzi alinke iwe omuntu wa bulijo kandi omuntu wa bulijo ni wali kwendaho enchi amashanyarazi ninga ni wali kwendaho obutegechi ni iwe omuntu wa bulijo niwe Museveni alenda arakwendaho obushoboruzi bwo kurya sente zawe nibwo Museveni alenda obushoboruzi bwo kunyaga itaka lyawe akaliha benishi. Museveni arakwenda ho bushoboruzi bwo kutaha emishoro yo kuremesa buli kimwe. So fellow citizens, be careful at this time. Mwawuliza nankeji obutumwa bu president wetu yagamba yagira ngu okurondo tikwe bibina byobutegechi okurondo oku kuli between Ugandans nabo mpaho abahambiri hanga gitu. It is between Ugandans nabo abali kutubona abonesa. So echo nicho nenda ngumukimanye kandi yatugira utujware nkeito tunywere omwe yashutama omwe yaburwa mani undijo yiyongiriyo undijo bamutera embiriko iwo gumizemu uwundi bamutera ki omugeri iwe gumizemu owo baratera isasi iwe gumizemu owo baratera enjungu gumizamu mpaka eturakireki okwecungura. So ekindi kenda kubagambira ngu buli omwe niwo kuba otali kwenda Kyagulanyi otali kwenda kikonka oramanya ngo orakunda Uganda. So vote umbrella. Vote what? Vote umbrella. So ekindi kwenda kubashoborera imwe fellow citizens imwe abataka imwe abanya-Uganda all borders nimwe mwine kuzipatrollinga nimwe patrollinga borders zeitu abo bona abanyamahanga bali kutaho mu Uganda muka reportinga to the security ninga abo bushoborozi ebinda bagambira twamara kwika mu Uganda emsa twine kuba turabimanya. Omuntu waragiraho Tanzania aranjulirira Tanzania wazayo beine yo mayumba 10 yabo wende ko reportingo wa mayumba 10 okamugambira ebiro byoraza kumara okamugambira na gyali obgora agenda. So e system eyo twine kugikoze mu Uganda ahabwo kuba nimureba ba foreigners nibo batutandamiho ba foreigners bakaba itwa abanya-Uganda bakaba tubingo mu town konkora shangamwa abahindi urashangamwa abaritria aba Somalia aba Ethiopia aba Sudan nibo bali mu Kampala abandi bona babere barakolera ngudo za Uganda bakazihaho abatembeyi bona n'abanyarwanda. So imwa abachi abataka ninga fellow citizens buli weno hora ngo lyo omunya-Uganda ohikaine na border niwe oine kuzipatrollinga wena foreigners oreja go mu Uganda twine kumanya obwire bwaragenderaho no ekiro cyayika arabuze ekiro kimwe twine kumubuza uri ready kugenda so nitwe twine kwe patrollingira ehanga ryaitu abo kuba umuntu aberenesha pangisa aho muhunama omusha arugera rugati muramumanya muguma muhunami mu Ugandensya twine okupatrollinga borders deitu no munda hona cyaro kwikiriza foreigner ebiro byamaziremu eine kubana akora ki na agenda ninjira ngwerizo bamwakireba nko kutwaturi nankeji Museveni ojango butini tibwa mutahamo akatengo na wakeine akatengo abirara katusindikira konka this time ni wakeine aza abanyarwanda aza Muhame ekindi cya kabiri mu Ugandensya abasigazi mwena wahikize myaka 18 abo bona abarabasa abali capable to join the army mu joininge o serving yo obwire bw'orenda wabonera ku serving emyezi mukaga oba mwaka gumwe oba myaka 2 oba myaka 5 signinga oze kugira ki otendekebwe bakutendeke obe omusirikale wo kugadinga eyanga ryaitu ebintu ebi byona niko turaza kugira ki turaza kubyekoleraho mutaka teka ngwaliho oraza kutukoleraho eyanga ryaitu we don't need invaders we don't need foreigners tuibenda abalija on purpose turamanya nibwire ki obwaraza kumaraho mwawulira so aba bataliho munankeje abatabasa kuza kavure manya kavure na nankeji nimbasa kubaho ebimwe ebi president yagambaho kachi yes ebi president yagambaho kachi message of revolution of today in kavure and na tete yaba negamba ki erizoba
nomination to be the next president of the Republic of Uganda for the year 2026 to 2031, not 1926 to 1931. I trust that you've continued to place in me ever since I offered myself for the first time for the presidential office in 2021. Today, my heart is filled with a deep sense of responsibility to deliver to that trust that you've put in me. Together, we have been everywhere preaching the message of a new Uganda. And today, with this nomination, we start on the final phase of our mission to freedom and true independence. Since our nation was born in 1962, every change of leadership has been written in blood. The blood and sacrifice. In the coming days, ladies and gentlemen, we shall unveil our manifesto and we shall go ahead to paint a clear picture of that new Uganda that we dream of, that new Uganda that we believe. But ultimately, about leadership, that will be a Uganda where leaders will be serving the people and not the other way around. I tell you, my friends, that Uganda in our lifetime. And with your courage, with our sacrifice, and with the grace of God, we shall reach that new Uganda. But I say to you, comrades, fear no evil, because the Lord Almighty is with us. I say to you, brothers and sisters, that we shall walk, but not get tired. We shall suffer, but we shall not die. It will be painful, but we shall win in the end. We shall reach in a new Uganda. We have no doubt about that. We shall reach in a Uganda where you will move in town and not see guns on the streets.
Ebyo nibyo bigambo bimwe ebyagambibwa president weitu Erizoba. Ejo niyo message yabiriye message abanya Uganda munsi yona ehibali ne mushonda zona eza Uganda kali obusinje